Assalamualaikum students, welcome you all in physics class. Students, in our previous lecture we had started chapter number 5 dynamics 3. Today our next topic of discussion is dissipative effect of friction. Students, as you know that friction is an opposing force that exists between two surfaces which are in contact with each other. Here dissipative effect of friction means when friction exists between two surfaces which are in contact with each other, then it will convert the kinetic energy into the heat energy. Or we can say that when friction force exists between two surfaces, the loss of heat energy or the release of energy exists. This process or this phenomena is known as dissipative effect of friction. We can observe different examples of dissipative effect of friction in our daily life. When we rub our hands together, we will observe that our hands will warm up after some time. This is due to the presence of friction forces between our hands which opposes the motion of hands, due to which heat energy is generated. This is the example of dissipative effect of friction. This process exists due to the irregularities or roughness of the surfaces which interact with each other. For example, we observe different surfaces by our naked eye. Then those surfaces can be observed as smooth surfaces, but they are not actually as smooth that we can see. When we observe those surfaces at microscopic level, there are different pits and bumps, or we can say that roughness exists on that surface. Basically, this is the irregularity or roughness of the surfaces due to which frictional forces exist between the surfaces, which increase the dissipative effect of friction. Students, next are different factors on which frictional force depend, or we can say that the amount of heat energy generated or dissipated effects depend. First one is the nature of the surface. Nature of the surface means if any surface is harder or rough, then there will be more frictional forces, and due to the presence of more frictional forces, more heat energy will be generated. And if any surface is a smooth surface or polished surface, then there will be minimum frictional forces. Due to the presence of minimum frictional forces, dissipative effect will also be minimum. Next factor is force of contact, means if greater force is applied between two surfaces, then there will be more friction forces. It means the dissipation of energy also depends upon the amount of force or contact force. If more forces are in contact with the two surfaces which are sliding over each other, or we can say that if more pressing force exists between two surfaces, then the more frictional forces exist. Due to the more presence of frictional forces, more dissipation of energy or due to or more heat loss exists. Third one is the duration of contact. Duration of contact means how long two surfaces are in contact with each other. If for a longer time two surfaces are in contact with each other, then frictional forces will also be greater, and which leads to the more dissipation of energy or more heat loss. Okay students, in this lecture I give you the idea about the dissipative effect of friction, different examples from daily life, and the factors that affect the amount of heat energy that dissipated. So your diary is you have to learn this topic here. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you so much.